Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to be going through variables in Python. So the contents of this video include what are variables, how to create variables, and then we finish off with an example. What are variables in Python? So in Python, variables are a symbolic name that points to an object in memory where a value is stored. And these consist of two main things. So one, a name, and two, some type of content. So the content includes what is required by the object, which is a value and also a type. How do we create variables? So there are three things that are needed. One, which is a name on the left, two, an equal sign in the middle, and then three, an initial value for the variable on the right. So when creating variables, I always think this name is equal to this value. And as an example, my name is Ben and I am a human, and I represented being a human as a string, which is a type, and the value is the emoji. And remember these two key points, which are variables must be created before they're used, and variables are also case sensitive. So we have a type, so we have a string here called drink with a value of apple juice, and then I've printed it out. And then this would again demonstrate that names are case sensitive. I've printed drink, but now with a capital D, and then we should be expecting an error because again names are case sensitive and it should be a name error. And so once we run this, we'll see that drink was printed out as apple juice. But then when it came to printing out the second print function, we see that name drink is not defined. And yeah, so that's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and yeah, catch you on the next one. Bye.